Alright guys, today is December 29th, 2023. Just want to show you what we got going on around the shop. We're getting ready for the new year. You know, doing our cleanup, our Jeep clean for the year so we can get ready, you know, for next year, 2024. Got Brian over here. This is where we recondition the batteries, cleaning off all of our tables, getting our workstation nice and clean. Doing this corner, we're gonna work our way around over there. Get behind there nice and good. Get all this cleaned out. We got Dalton out here, pressure washing our tables. One thing you gotta keep in mind in the battery business. You gotta keep everything clean. That has to eat up everything. Brought everything outside. Got a truck coming again today too. We've been doing a truck every 2 weeks. We've been steady on every 2 weeks for about 3 months now. We've been shipping out. This is just what we have out so far. Yeah, I figured I'd give you a little update, let y'all know what we're doing for the new year. Deep cleaning.